I don't know. No.
La 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 la.
Here we go. Bombs away, Pablo. Not me!
We make a great team.
So go up to the toy and kick it in and out. Bye-ya, bye-ya. Kids, treat the way you want to be respected. Otherwise, this will happen.
I'm always planting little pranks and
This happened with one of the Elmo toys. Try it one more time. Still want to get the tar out of you.
Are you ready now?
No.
First you hop.
To your dad. Alright. Slapped his head clean off. Life to him. We're gonna make death for him. Within just one drop, I slapped his head clean off.
baby, give it to Elmo.
How? To the right. Here, why don't you try jumping? And don't forget about your little videotape. Yeet! It's to the rescue! A beautiful moon. Not this thing.
You're making a terrible mistake!
Let's learn letters.
Oh, some poop stains or something? I wish. Never mind, it always stinks.
We are transferring power. Here comes the pandemonium! I don't think that will quite get the job done.
For what? Boots. Up. must come down. Oh! Let's see that again. Oh. Why so serious?
Did I raise you to be a barbarian?
No more squeaky sounds. Work!
I ran over the Taco Bell dog.
For what comes up must go down. And give what this deserves.
Show me your silly face. You're so silly.
That's my silly face right there. I need more protein. The only thing I need to study is what I eat. You are what you eat.
Yay!
Holy crap, it does work. And now they're dead. Give me a SUTFU! And there go the batteries.
Let's dance.
No.
Baby.
Son of a... Hold on this! That said and done, let's send this guy out of this world. Hopefully I have enough. We're gonna send these off to the scrap yard. Broken. Except for you. Oh, shoot. Oh, man, I missed.
Hiya, pal. Let's hot diggity dance. Those orange pumpkins.
You're very naughty, see and say. Off with you.
Uh-oh. Clean up on aisle 5.
What the hell's even on aisle 5? You bring me so much joy when you leave the room, much like a cloud, because when you disappear, it's a beautiful day. That will be coming up next.
I'm a curious bear, ready for an adventure.
I'm a little brown bear.